Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve locked account on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve a locked account on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about CapCut. Here in this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.